friends, this video shows how to control power of TV, soundbar and set-top box using one remote controller. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, setup remote buttons. So here you can see power button, set it. And here we need to select this first option, auto CEC. Done. Enable auto CEC. After that we would be able to control power. We can turn on or off all devices like TV, soundbar and set-top box using single remote controller. That is the remote controller of Google TV streamer. But we need to connect all these devices using HDMI cable. That is must. So after that, using one remote controller, we would be able to control power of all these devices. If you want to control volume of all these devices, you can go to this volume control. Here also enable auto CEC. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.